Hello and welcome to timegram's tutorial video series. Today we'll look at timegram's clients module. Let's get started. This is the clients module. As an agency, you have multiple clients with different projects. This module helps you easily manage your clients. Here you can see your active and past clients list. You can also search for a client by their name using this search filter here. You can click on client's name to see and edit its details. You can edit their name, email, and other details along with invoice, prefixes, and serial to help identify them easily. To add a new client, simply click on Add New Client. All you have to do is input their details and hit Save. In addition, you can specify different hourly project rates for the same client. This can be done when you are creating a new project or by simply adding a client to an already existing task. You also have the option to create a new client right from scratch when editing or creating a new project. That's it for the invoices module. Feel free to drop us a message on our chat or create a ticket, and our support team will respond to your queries as soon as possible. See you in the next one.